Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining our first session by Discensys. I am Pawan. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Discensys, and he is Akash. He is one of the co-founders and the Chief Operations Officer of Discensys. This is an initiative which we have developed just recently. It's basically an educational organization where our main theme is going to be revolving around weekend sessions, where we are going to give out free weekend sessions. There is a problem which we have encountered as we have been learning ourselves, as we are from technical background actually, where we have checked out that not only us, I think you guys also have came up with this problem where the learning is very expensive through Coursera, Udemy, etc. And there is also too much content in the which is available for any particular topic, but there is nothing which can be streamlined, which can be organized by the community. And there is also isolation where there is no proper community for the learning. So based on this, this is our solution where Discensys is a community-driven open learning collective, which is based on accessibility, structure, and collaboration. What is Discensys? Discensys is going to be an organization where the platform is going to be open for everyone. Not only it is not restricted to a region, it is not restricted to a particular language, it is not restricted to any of those metrics. It is available internationally, and I know the primary language is going to be in English, but in the future, if there is a requirement of any specific language, like for suppose there is a mass audience who are requiring some other language like Hindi to be taught, for that we are going to have them too, like based on the requirements by the mass audience, and it is built for everyone, not just for students, not just for working professionals. It is built for everyone, and anyone can join this. The core philosophy, open learning. Our core philosophy is built on free knowledge without having any barriers. And we are going to provide a structured progress that builds on real skills. And there is going to be collaboration between the learners as well as the builders. Weekend sessions, our weekend sessions are going to be always free, and it is going to be revolving around various types of technologies, creative aspects, personal growth, emerging fields. It is not restricted to a particular concept, as because as I have mentioned before, there is going to be a community-driven model. Like for suppose if there is a requirement of any other subject which is need to be taught, like for suppose anatomy and biology, then we are going to have within our organization we are going to have a model of volunteering where volunteers can join and teach a subject which they excel in, and and we can have weekend sessions over that particular aspect too. So our organization's core aspect is flexible without being restricted to a particular domain. Community driven model. Our weekend sessions, as might have seen based on the Google form which we have shared, the topics are selected by the community. We are going to select a predefined list of topics within which the topics will be voted. And based on the votes which the topics are going to get, the highest number of topics, highest voted topic will be selected for the sessions for that particular weekend. Open participation. Everyone is welcome to join. There is no restrictions for as an age or as an expertise, etc. Go beyond consuming. Like for suppose if there is one of you who is excelling in a particular subject, then we are open to make you a volunteer of our organization where you can have your own sessions. So this is going to be a model where we are going to share knowledge, mentor, and creativity. Beyond free learning, we are also coming up with advanced program aspects which will be coming in the upcoming future, which will be very reasonable, like boot camps, hackathons, and structured courses. And I'm saying like um, As you can see within the current model, like within the educational platform, like whether it may be online or offline, I think you might have not seen this type of weekend initiative. In the same way, the boot camps, hackathons, and the structured courses which we are developing right now, where which are in the planning phase, are going to be unique. They are going to be they are going to have unique aspects completely different from most of the boot camps or courses provided by the other platforms. Accessibility. Weekend sessions are always free. There is no cost for joining and anyone can join. Affordable advanced programs. These programs are going to be very affordable and in such a way that these programs we are structuring in such a way that it will surpass the most of the current ones which we have. You can look forward to it. Education for everyone, making quality learning universally available. That's our policy, our vision, a platform where learners explore, build, and grow together. If you want to connect with us, you can have the company's profile and my profile as well as Akash profile. If you want to have a take it screenshot, you can take it. Okay. Now let's go with the two topics. Today we are going to have a presentation over two topics, which are the most voted by the community. The first topic being large language models, how they actually generate text. That will be the first topic, which is the highest voted one. And the second topic is attention mechanisms explained, explanation of attention mechanisms. That will be the second topic. These two topics are